Namo Namaha. Welcome back, dear children. In today's session, we are going to learn an interesting story, the title of which is Kantakenaiva Kantakam. Kantaka means thorn. So, Kantakenaiva Kantakam means to use a thorn to remove a thorn. Actually, it is a phrase which can be translated in Hindi as Kaate se kaata nikalna. In English, there is a similar phrase, to fight fire with fire. It means to fight against an opponent using the same methods or weapons that the opponent uses. Kantakenaiva Kantakam is a folk tale which is popular among Pardhan people living in Dindori district of Madhya Pradesh. The Pardhan are a subgroup of Dravidian, tribal Gond people who live in central India. The traditional occupation of Pardhans is that of being musicians or singers at various festivals or important life ceremonies. Students, folk tales or folklores have been an eternal part of every culture since ages. When it comes to Indian folk tales, the country of diverse religions, cultures and languages, it has a complete range of tales and short stories. Being full of moral values, Indian folklore makes perfect stories for children who are required to be instilled with right values. For example, the present story teaches us that with intelligence and presence of mind, we can overcome any problem of our life. I hope you will enjoy the story. So let's get started with the lesson Kantakenaiva Kantakam. Here is the Prathamaha Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. Asit kaschit chanchalo nama vyadhaha pakshimrugadinam grahanena saha swiyam jivikam nirvahayati sma. Ekada सह वने जालम विस्तीर्य गृहम आगतवान. अन्यस्मिन् दिवसे प्रातः काले यदा चंचलः वनं गतवान तदा सह दृष्टवान यत्तेन विस्तारिते जाले दौर्भाग्यात् एकः व्याघ्रः बद्धः आसीत्. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhi or sanyogah from the given gadyamshaha. The words with sandhi or sanyogah are kaschit, chanchalo nama, pakshi mrugadinam and daurbhagyat ekah. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Kaschit, the dissolution is kah plus chit. Chanchalo nama, the dissolution is chanchalah plus nama. Pakshi mrugadinam, the sandhi vichhedah is pakshi mruga plus adinam. And daurbhagyat ekah, the sandhi vichhedah is daurbhagyat plus ekah. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Asit kaschit chanchalo nama vyadhaha. Asit means was. Kaschit, certain. Chanchalaha nama, named Chanchal. Vyadhaha means hunter. There was a hunter named Chanchal. Pakshimrugadinam grahanena saha swiyam jivikam nirvahayati sma. Pakshimruga means birds and animals. Adinam, etc. Grahanena, by catching. Saha swiyam jivikam nirvahayati sma. Jivikam means livelihood. Nirvahayati sma, he used to earn. He used to earn his livelihood by catching the birds and animals. Ekada sahavane jalam vistirya gruham agatavan. Ekada, once. Vane jalam vistirya, Vistirya means spreading or having spread. Jalam, net. Vane, in the forest. Gruham agatavan. He came home. Once he spread the net in the forest and came home. अन्यस्मिन् दिवसे प्रातः काले यदा चञ्चलः वनं गतवान् तदा सः दृष्टवान् यत् तेन विस्तारिते जाले दौर्भाग्यात् एकः व्याघ्रः बद्धः आसीत्. अन्यस्मिन् दिवसे, नेक्स्ट डे. प्रातः काले, in the morning. यदा चञ्चलः वनं गतवान्, यदा when. वनं गतवान्, went to the forest. तदा, then. सह दृष्टवान्, he saw. यत्, that. तेन विस्तारिते जाले. विस्तारिते, spread. जाले, in the net. The net spread by him. दौर्भाग्यात्, unfortunately. एकः व्याघ्रः बद्धः आसीत्. बद्धः means stuck. व्याघ्रः means tiger. A tiger was stuck in the net which was spread by him. The translation of the sentences: next day, in the morning, when Chanchal went to the forest, he saw that unfortunately a tiger was stuck in the net which was spread by him. I hope that you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani based on the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Swiyam is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Jivikam. The word Anyasmin is the Visheshanam of the word Divase. The word Vistarite is the Visheshanam of the word Jale. And the word Baddhaha is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Vyaghraha. Now let me take you to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the Gadyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Akhetakaha, the Paryaya Padam is Vyadhaha. Prabhate, the Paryaya Padam is Pratah Kale. Shardulaha, the Paryaya Padam is Vyaghraha. And the Viloma Pade are Agatavan, the Viloma Padam is Gatavan, and Muktaha, the Viloma Padam is Baddhaha. Students, one important form is used in this Gadyamshaha, and it is Vistirya. It has V upsargaha plus stru dhatuhu plus lya pratyayaha. Students, I hope that you have understood this first Gadyamshaha of the story. A tiger got stuck in the net sprayed by Chanchal. What would happen next? You will come to know it when we will see the next Gadyamshaha. So let me take you to the Agrimaha Gadyamshaha. Here is the Agrimaha Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. So chintayat Vyaghraha mam khadishyati ataeva palayanam karaniyam. Vyaghraha nyavedayat bho manava kalyanam bhavatute यदि त्वं मां मोचयिष्यसि तर्हि अहं त्वां न हनिष्यामि. तदा सः व्याधः व्याघ्रं जालात् बहिः निरसारयत्. व्याघ्रः क्लान्तः आसीत्. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshaha. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are So chintayat and ata eva. Let's see the dissolution of these words. So chintayat, the dissolution is saha plus a chintayat. Ata eva, the sandhi vichhedaha is ataha plus eva. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. So chintayat means he thought. He, that is Chanchal. Chanchal thought. Vyagraha mam khadishyati. Vyagraha, tiger. Mam, me. Khadishyati, will eat. The tiger will eat me. Ataha eva, so, therefore. Palayanam karaniyam, I should run away. He thought the tiger will eat me, so I should run away. Vyagraha nyavedayat, the tiger said, Bho manava kalyanam bhavatute. O man, kalyanam bhavatute, may it be well with you. It means, may God bless you. Yadi tvam mam mochayishyasi, tarhi aham tvam na hanishyami. Yadi, if. Mochayishyasi, will make me free. Tarhi, then, aham tvam na hanishyami, I will not kill you. The tiger said, O man, may God bless you. I will not kill you if you make me free. Tada saha vyadhaha vyagram jalat bahihi nirasarayat. Tada, then, saha vyadhaha, the hunter, vyagram jalat bahihi nirasarayat, brought the tiger out of the net. Then the hunter brought the tiger out of the net. Vyagraha klantaha asit. The tiger was klantaha, means tired. The tiger was tired. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshana Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. There is only one pair of Visheshana Visheshya Padam. The word Klantaha is the Visheshanam of the word Vyagraha. Now let's see Paryaya Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshaha. There are two Paryaya Pade. Bhakshayishyati, the Paryaya Padam is Khadishyati, and Shrantaha, the Paryaya Padam is Klantaha. And there is only one Viloma Padam, Antaha, the Viloma Padam is Bahihi. Students, one important rule of Upapad Vibhaktihi is used in this Gadyamshaha, and it is Jalat Bahihi. Bahihi means out. It is an indeclinable and it governs Panchami Vibhaktihi. Bahihi yoge Panchami Vibhaktihi bhavati, and due to that the word Jalat is used in Panchami Vibhaktihi. Students, I hope that you have understood this Gadyamshaha as well. Now let's see the next Gadyamsh. Here is the next Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. So vadat bho manava pipasuhu aham nadyaha jalamaniya mama pipasam shamaya vyagraha jalam pitva punaha vyadham avadat shamaya me pipasa. Students, the word shamaya is a printing mistake. Here the word should be shanta. So the sentence is shanta me pipasa. Sampratam bubhukshitosmi. Idanim aham tvam khadishyami. Chanchalah uktavan. Aham tatkrute dharmam acharitavan. Tvaya mithya bhanitam. Tvam mam khaditum ichhasi. Vyagraha avadat. Are murkha. Kshudhartaya kimapi akaryam na bhavati. Sarvaha swartham samihate. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogaha from the given Gadyamshaha. The words with sandhihi or sanyogaha are Sovadat, Jalamaniya, Vyadhamavadat, bubhukshitosmi, and kimapi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Sovadat, the dissolution is saha plus avadat. Jalamaniya is an example of sanyogaha and the dissolution is jalam plus aniya. Vyadham avadat is also an example of sanyogaha and the dissolution is vyadham plus avadat. Bubhukshitosmi is an example of sandhihi and the dissolution is bubhukshitah plus asmi. Kimapi is an example of sanyogaha and the dissolution is kim plus api. Now let me take you to the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. So avadat, saha means he, that is tiger. Avadat said, he said, that is the tiger said, bho manava pipasuhu aham. Oh man, pipasuhu means thirsty. Aham pipasuhu, I am thirsty. Nadyaha jalam aniya mama pipasam shamaya. Nadyaha from the river, jalam water, aniya having brought, mama pipasam shamaya. Pipasam means thirst, shamaya quench. Nadyaha jalam aniya mama pipasam shamaya. Bring water from the river and quench my thirst. Vyagraha jalam pītva punaha vyadham avadat. Vyagraha, the tiger, jalam pītva, after drinking water, punaha vyadham avadat, again said to the hunter. The tiger drank water and said again to the hunter, Shamaya me pipasa. Students, I have already told you that Shamaya is a printing mistake. Here the word should be Shanta. And the meaning of the word Shanta is quenched. So, Punaha Vyadham Avadat, he said again to the hunter, my thirst is quenched. Sampratam bubhukshitosmi. Now I am hungry. Idanim aham tvam khadishyami. Idanim, now. Aham tvam khadishyami, I will eat you. Now I will eat you. Chanchalaha uktavan. Chanchal said, Aham tvatkrute dharmam acharitavan. Tvatkrute, for you. Dharmam acharitavan, followed the path of dharma. I followed the path of dharma for you. Tvaya mithya bhanitam. Mithya means a lie. Bhanitam, told. You told a lie. Tvaya mithya bhanitam. You told a lie. Tvam mam khaditum ichchasi. You want to eat me? Vyagraha avadat. Are murkha kshudhartaya kimapi akaryam na bhavati. Vyagraha avadat, the tiger said, Are murkha, O fool. Kshudhartaya means for the one who is hungry. Kimapi akaryam. Akaryam means improper. Na bhavati. Nothing is improper for the one who is hungry. Sarvaha swartham samihate. Sarvaha, everyone. Swartham samihate, wants to fulfill his self-interest. Vyagraha avadat, the tiger said, O fool, there is nothing improper for the one who is hungry. Everyone wants to fulfill his self-interest. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshana Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshana Visheshya Padani. The word Pipasuhu is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Aham, and the word Shanta is the Visheshanam of the word Pipasa. Now, let me take you to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Trushna, the Paryaya Padam is Pipasa. अधुना the पर्यायपदम is साम्प्रतम, क्षुधार्तः the पर्यायपदम is बुभुक्षितः, and asatyam the पर्यायपदम is mithya. Let's see the Vilomapadani. Neetva the Vilomapadam is aniya, adharmam the Vilomapadam is dharmam, satyam the Vilomapadam is mithya, and pandita the Vilomapadam is murkha. Students, some important forms are used in this Gadyamshaha, and they are aniya, it has a upsargah, ni dhatuhu and lyap pratyayah. Pitva, it has pa dhatuhu plus tva pratyayah. And khaditum, it has khad dhatuhu plus tumun pratyayah. Students, I would like to end the explanation here. We will meet again with the next part of the story. Dhanyavadaha punarmilamah.